Hi guys, in this lecture we will understand the concept of group by clause. Group by clause is basically used along with several functions which we saw in one of the earlier lectures. Group by clause is basically used for grouping the result based on a particular column or a field of a table. Now let's understand what I mean with the help of an example. Now say you want to find out how many item of each type has been sold in the supermarket. Now the syntax for it is as follows. Select item ID, count star from sales group by item ID. So what the MySQL server will do is it will first find all the rows in the table cells where the item ID is 1, count it, and then add a row where item ID is 1, and against it say the item ID 1 was sold 5. So in the count star it will put 5. Then it will go through all the rows in the table sales and find the number of rows where the item ID is 2. Say item ID 2 has been sold for 7 times. So it will then put another row which says the item ID is 2, and in the count star it will put 7. It will do so for all the item IDs and return the result. Now let's run this in the phpMyAdmin and see if that is the actual result which is returned by MySQL. So as you can see, we are here at phpMyAdmin. Let's first click on the database, then on SQL. Then we'll paste the group by query. Let's run it. And here the result shows that item ID 1 is present in 8 rows of table sales. That is, item ID 1 has been sold for 8 times. Item ID 2 has been sold for 4 times, item ID 3 for 6 times, and so on. I hope the use of group by clause is clear to you now.